It is daytime in Mia's attic bedroom, filled with sunlight streaming through a window. Mia's eyes landed on an old wooden trunk in the corner, glimmering in the sunlight. She brushed her hand over it and said, "Wow, what's in this rugged box? Maybe something special," she whis. With eyes sparkling with anticipation, Mia lifts the lid to reveal a magical talking backpack named Zip. Zip greets her with a cheerful invitation. "Hello, Mia. Ready for an adventure?" Mia and Zip float amidst cotton candy clouds, the sky shimmering with soft sparkles. A rainbow arches across the horizon, its colors faded and dull, dimming the magical sky. Mia notices the faded rainbow and cries out, "Oh no, Zip! The rainbow has lost its colors!" Zip reassures her with a confident smile. "Don't worry, Mia. We can fix it. Let's paint the rainbow." Together, Mia and Zip look towards the faded rainbow, ready to restore its lost colors and bring the magical sky back to life. In the boundless magical sky, Mia and Zip embark on their colorful quest, brushes poised to paint the heavens. As their brushes dance, a vibrant rainbow bursts into existence, its glowing colors transforming the sky into a spectacle of light. Mia and Zip, voices united, sing their magical rhyme. Red and orange, yellow too, green and blue, and purple hue. Colors make the world so bright. Let's paint the rainbow with all our might. Brush the sky, swirl it high, make the magic colors fly. Zip and Mia, paint the day. Rainbow magic on its way. The rainbow, now fully formed, radiates with warmth and joy. Its vibrant hues a testament to their teamwork and artistry. Overwhelmed with joy, Mia embraces Zip, eyes glowing with pride as they bask in the beauty of their creation.